Okay, identifying the rear diff so we can order axles and a posi setup for it. And so there's the code on it. We'll decipher that and see if it gets the factory truck open out. And we'll be back. Okay, we are back on the Camaro here right now. Christopher's on the other side, running a bunch of wiring for the fuel injection. The rads all in there along with the fan. And the wiring's being run. There's a bunch of sensors in. We've got to pick up more. And then he's going to end up mounting it in the glove box when we're all said and done. It doesn't currently exist, but we have an air conditioning coming for it yet. It's got to be put in. And another wiring harness. I think you guys seen the shifter already. And table full of other parts yet to go in. And figuring out which water pump and brackets, and the brackets and stuff are coming now, so we got that all figured out. So we'll come back a little later and have another look and see how things are looking. Okay, back to the Camaro. I don't know where we even left off, showing you some stuff, but we do have the electric fan in, all installed and mounted. I think we showed you we were doing some of the wiring there before. Chris has a bunch of that all laid out and was making brackets and stuff, and he made a bracket, and I'll show you, mounted in the glove box. Nice, oh, pardon me. Nice job of mounting it right in there. They're not going to use the glove box. We're putting vintage air in. It will end up making the glove box real small anyway. So we decided to mount his computer for the Holley engine management system right in the glove box, where it's going to be safe and out of the way and won't be getting wet and all that good stuff. So yeah, and then the wiring will end up coming out at the bottom of it, and we'll make a hole just above the AC that'll go through the firewall. So yeah, we'll show you some more of that. And I will be able to show you some of the AC components that are here now. And what else? So I think we got some brackets there to mount the alternator and a few things. ICT one, so I'll show you that stuff coming up here shortly. Okay, be right back. Okay, now we got a bunch of the vintage air pieces. I thought I would show you kind of just when I open up the box how things look. Now, this is from our warehouse that we deal with, but comes from vintage air. And I thought I'd just show you how well they packed everything. I'm assuming condenser and stuff is in there, but yeah, everything's packed like very nicely. I've got to see if I can stand here to hold this while I move some boxes around. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. Bear with me. Throw in a stand. But yeah, they everything up really nice. Do a good job of it. We do a lot of vintage air stuff. It's nice to see when it comes packed so well. But as you can see in the box there, it's all packaged nice and tight. That foam kept it nice and tight, so nothing comes damaged. So yeah, it's kind of nice to see it coming that way. But anyway, we'll show you the vintage air unit as we're mounting it in the car. We got a few more items here that are from ICT. We got billet brackets to mount the coils on. I'm holding them right, yep. Mount the coils on, and we got spacers when we use the other brackets to space the water pump out. They even got a spot there for the steam fitting, which is kind of nice. And this way we can use a Camaro water pump on it, and with a truck balancer. So then the serpentine and everything will fit, and the Camaro water pump puts the water neck in the right place for us, so it's missing the throttle body where it comes out and that. So yeah, it's a good deal. One of their pamphlets that they provide with it. Hopefully you can see that. I can hardly see what I'm filming here. But yeah, I'll have to go through that. Looks like there's lots of different combinations in there, which is one of the big problems when you're doing an LS swap, is getting everything figured out, because there's, I think, what, 3 different balancer sizes. So you got to make sure that you got everything kind of figured out to them, or your serpentine belt and stuff's not going to line up. But looks like ICT makes a lot of stuff now, so worth having a look at. Okay, and there's brackets. This one, I think, I don't even remember it. This one from out the AC compressor. Yeah, that's what all that stuff's for. So we'll show you as we mount the AC compressor on that stuff going on. A lot neater and less bulky than the factory stuff, which we couldn't make the factory stuff work because of our intake manifold and just where ports were coming out, it wasn't going to work for us. So we're going with aftermarket. And then this, they packed the compressor, so they did a nice job of packing that. Doesn't get move around in there, so when we get it, it's all in nice shape, so it's kind of nice to see. But we'll show you that stuff as it's going in. I just wanted to kind of show you what some of the packing like was on it, because sometimes we get stuff and it's all over the place, but they're doing a nice job with theirs. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll be back.